champion breakfast. We have here barbecue chicken, well-seasoned fries, coffee to wash it down, and a coconut roll on the side. Talk now. Let's see how this goes. Well-seasoned fry. Barbecue chicken. Good mix, good mix. Very tasty. Coffee to wash it down. Let's have a taste of the coconut roll. Very sweet, tasty. You're getting the coconut flavor. More coffee. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food.